All right, guys, we are back. I had to change my camera. I had to turn on my iPad to try to film the last part of this video. All right, so air is a mixture of gases. Ocean water is also another mixture. It is made mostly of two compounds, which is water and salt. Of course, we know that. But then it has other pieces in it, in the ocean water. So small amounts of other various substances. Ocean water can be separated using physical means. The salt can be separated from the water by evaporation. We've learned that when we talked about the water cycle years and years ago when you were little kids. When the liquid water evaporates and changes to water vapor, salt is left behind. All mixtures can be separated using various physical means. And we're going to just highlight that last sentence. I know we already said it, but I just want to make sure that we understand it. Okay, what can a mixture be made of? Give some examples of mixtures. All right, so what are some things that mixtures can be made of? Well, lots of different things. Somebody today in one of the classes said a mixture could be pizza. So that could be like the toppings, pepperoni, sausage, cheese, tomato sauce, all those yummy, delicious things. You know, we eat pizza every day. The Mundies are pizza eaters. We love pizza. I know my pizza. I know it's a mixture. And I also know that it is a heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture. It's made up of different things, and all the different parts are not equal throughout. You might take a bite of pizza, and if somebody pulled the pepperoni off of it, you don't get pepperoni on your slice, but somebody else might get pepperoni on their slice. And any of the other toppings too. Just don't ruin a pizza by putting pineapple on it. Ugh. Again, or bacon. Gross. That's one way to ruin a great pizza. All right, question number 1. Soil is made up of pieces of rocks, wood, decayed plants, and many other materials. What is soil? Well, I asked Miss Lamb that question the other day, and she was able to answer it because she's a very smart person. She said it was a mixture, and soil is a heterogeneous mixture. So I'm going to write that out beside there because I want to make sure that you remember it, because you know what? This is a test question. Heterogeneous, and I spelled that wrong. Let me rewrite it again. I was the 6th grade spelling bee champion, so I know how to spell lots of good 6th grade words. 7th grade words sometimes trip me up a little bit, but that's okay. A heterogeneous mixture soil because it has lots of different things that are in that soil. All right, it says, what is a pure substance that can be separated into two or more simpler substances by chemical means? So if we had the right tools to separate a compound, we could possibly separate it into those different elements. So the correct answer here is compound. Now, Miss Lamb probably didn't know the answer to that one, but I wouldn't ask her a question like that because she knows math, I know science. That's why we're a good team. All right, a molecule of carbon dioxide is shown above. Based on the drawing of that molecule, what is the chemical formula for carbon dioxide? So we can see here that there's one carbon atom bonded to 2 oxygen atoms. So we know that the C can't have anything after it because it's just one. We have 2 oxygen atoms, so we know that the subscript is going to be 2. Our correct answer is D, CO2. Now the last one that we're going to look at, the chemical formula for glucose, C6H12O6. How many different elements make up this one molecule of glucose? Well, let's look at it. How many capital letters do we have? We've got 1, 2, 3. So we know that there are 3 elements in one molecule of glucose. But let's look at the atom count. If we said how many atoms were in a molecule of glucose, if we counted those up, 6 plus 12 plus 6, I'm pretty sure I have the math correct on this one, but we have 24 atoms in one molecule of glucose. All right, guys, that's all that we have for today. You are going to, you're finished for the day after you've watched these videos, and I will see you on Wednesday at your virtual science class time. Thank you.